Welcome back. You're tuned in to Editor's Roundtable. Well, Nimish highlighted that in FY23, in fact, the small cap index, well, it underperformed. But I'm looking at the last 5 years, and the Nifty is up close to around 70%. You'll say it's not so bad. But I'll tell you what, the small cap index today is at the same level that it was in January 2018. So that's telling you the kind of pain. I'll give you another data point. You'll say the Nifty is corrected only 5% from the peak, right? But the small cap index has corrected 25% from its peak that we saw in January 2022. So that's giving you a couple of data points that from the broader markets, well, there's not been much participation. And to give you a quick analysis, I took the NSE 500 companies, and within that, if you just look at it, 65% of the companies, they are sitting with cuts of more than 25%. So that's depicting the kind of underperformance you have actually seen from the broader markets, though the headline index is not telling you the entire picture. The big question is, are small caps presenting a buying opportunity? And shouldn't they participate if India is going in the right direction? Well, you have various moves, on the India front that are working. Move to organized from unorganized. You have UPI and FASTag adoption. The NCLT-led cleanup, that's what's good news as well. And the solid PLI-led capex, which will bear fruit in the coming years. Now, also, are they presenting a buying opportunity? Well, you remember the phase from 2015 to 2019? Well, they pretty much, the Nifty as well as the small cap index moved in line. What happened after that was there was some reclassification that came in from SEBI, and that's what spoiled sentiment a little bit. And from there on, you did see the small caps did underperform. Financialization of savings, that's another theme that plays out. And there's more maturity in our markets. So to call it, there's not a satta market any longer. You analyze there's good participation that's coming in. There's more maturity in the markets on the whole. The tax cuts that came as well in 2019, well, that's for all. But the smaller names, well, they could gain a little bit more. Well, before we wind down, though, I want to leave you a quote coming in from Warren Buffett. You need to focus on the playing field. Don't look at the scorecard. Well, then, in fact, you could probably win the game. So, that's the quote that I put out. But can the small cap index participate? And why shouldn't it participate when things are looking up? We have political stability, policy stability here in India, and moves in the right direction. Well, to put that question forth,